Submitting documents to Etsy for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather the necessary documents required for account verification. This may include identification, tax information, or business licenses, depending on your location and type of account. Step 2. Log into your Etsy account. Access your Etsy account by visiting the Etsy website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the account that you wish to verify. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Find the Verification section. In the Account Settings, look for a section related to verification or account approval. This may be labeled as Verification, Account Approval, or something similar. Step 5. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Ensure that the files are in the correct format and meet any specified size requirements. After uploading, review your submission and confirm to complete the process. Once you have submitted your documents, wait for Etsy to review your application. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your account approval. Good luck!